and welcome to Alistra. In this video lesson, I'll discuss about tense. First, what is tense? Tense, it is from Latin word which is tempus. What is tempus? Tempus, it refers to time. As in wall clock or in wristwatch, we are having 12 digits. What these 12 digits, they are all about. Technically, they refer to time. And in tenses, we are having three: present, past, and future. In each tense, there are four sub-branches. So if you want to understand that what an actual tense is all about, first try to allocate each digit with one tense each. Like in present, we are having present indefinite, present continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. Likewise is the case in past and future tense. So 4 into 3, they are 12 in number. In this lesson, my focus is on present indefinite. What an actual present indefinite is all about? If we talk about grammatical perspective, so in present indefinite we use first form of the verb. We use do and does, which are its indicators, in order to make sentence either positive or negative. For those who are Urdu and Hindi speakers, they need to know that in end, sentence ends with ta hai, thi hai, and te hai. Why? This difference it does come in. Because in English, the structure is subject followed by verb, and in the end it is object. But if we talk about Urdu and Hindi, in that subject, after that it is object, and in the end it is verb. So if you want to understand things in that perspective, you need to focus where sentence it ends. Is मैं सुबह सवेरे उठता हूँ. In the end, there is ता हूँ. मैं स्कूल जाता हूँ. In the end, ता है ता हूँ. वो अच्छा पढ़ती है. वो हमारी तरफ आते हैं. So in the end, ता है, थी है, and ते है. This in actual is the Urdu and Hindi identification of present indefinite tense. If you look towards sentence here, we are having I call you. मैं तुम्हें call करता हूँ. If I want to make it negative, I do not call you. मैं तुम्हें call नहीं करता हूँ. Do I call you? क्या मैं तुम्हें call करता हूँ? All around in the end it is ता हूँ ता हूँ. If we want to make it with second person, you, with first person plural we, and third person they, we are going to make the same. There are no changes in it. We will place you call me, we call them, they call us. Is in I, you, we, they, there are no changes in present indefinite tense. Where changes it does come. Whenever we talk about third person singular, he, she, it, a name of a person, then we place either s or es. As in case of I call you, but I cannot talk. He call you. I need to add s or es with the verb where it is suitable. So he calls you. Now if I want to make it negative, she does not call. Now I place with do es. So instead of adding s to call, I erase that here due to the reason that does comes in. When I put does in negative sentence, then obviously s or es from the main verb, it will be erased. Now why tenses they are important? If you know about tenses, you can communicate effectively. You can talk to any person or narrate any type of story or event, either things which happened in past time or things which are relevant to current time. But here we are discussing about present tense, so we need to talk about the present situation. Keep in your mind description of things as ta hu, thi hai, and te hai. If you want to talk in present context, so this indefinite what an actual indefinite is all about. First try to understand now if you want to apply it on language. In, it means no. Indefinite, it means limit. This tense itself is saying that I have no limits. So whatever happens in present situation, 90 to 95% of your language, it comes within the circle of present indefinite tense. How? They are like daily routine. How you begin? मैं सुबह सवेरे उठता हूँ. So उठता हूँ, it means that you need to put I get up early in the morning, first form of the verb. What you do after that? I go to washroom, I take shower, then I brush my teeth. After that, I offer my prayers. After that, I drink a glass of water. Then I leave for exercise. If you go for an exercise, मैं एक्सरसाइज के लिए जाता हूँ, करीब पार्क में जाता हूँ, 8 बजे उधर एक्सरसाइज करता हूँ, वापसी पर घर आता हूँ. So all things it comes within ताहूँ ताहूँ ताहूँ. What you need to do then? You need to place like first form of the verb in all your routines. Whatever you begin from dawn till dusk. By that, like I begin my day, then I sleep at night at ABCD hours. If it is indefinite, so what are the rest of the things which comes within present indefinite? Your hobbies. Like if someone asks from you, describe your free time activities or your leisure time activities. Whenever I am free, I play ABCD types of sports, or I play games on my computer and on my mobile. मैं मोबाइल पे गेम खेलता हूँ, मैं क्रिकेट खेलता हूँ, मैं फुटबॉल खेलता हूँ, मैं दोस्तों के साथ जाता हूँ. So it comes in what? ताहूँ ताहूँ. That is again like within the circle of your present indefinite. If we talk about the rest of the thing, like your likes and dislikes, you are sitting somewhere in an interview and someone asks you which type of people you like to meet, which type of things you like to eat, which type of activities you like to do, which type of people you dislike. So all those things, usually I like ABCD thing, I like to eat this and that, I like to wear. So all those likes and dislikes, it does come within the circle of your present indefinite tense. If you talk about other things like universal truth, सूरज मशरक से तलू होता है, मगरिब में गरूब होता है. The earth, it revolves around the sun, like ज़मीन सूरज के गिर्द घूमती है. The sun, it rises in the east, it sets in the west. Water flows, we believe in Allah Almighty. So all those things which are universally accepted and which we consider as utmost reality, it does come within the circle of your present indefinite. What else which comes? Favorite place? Which type of places you like? What is the name of your favorite place? Again, obviously there would be any place that you like. So it also comes along with favorite person or personality. My favorite personality is ABCD. I like him or her because of this. So those things, they would be relevant with that person and a person is live. So you need to describe all those things, most of the cases like in your present indefinite tense. Other than that, exercise. What is importance of exercise? Do you go for exercise? Which type of activities you do or perform during your exercise hours? Do you participate in any sports? क्या तुम किसी स्पोर्ट्स में पार्टिसिपेट करते हो? क्या तुम एक्सरसाइज के लिए जाते हो? किस तरह की एक्सरसाइज करते हो? कब करते हो? क्या एक्सरसाइज के इम्पोर्टेंस यानी अहमियत है? सो वो सब चीज़ें जो है वो प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट में आती है. Other than that, if we talk, there are proverbs. Like usually all those golden wordings as unity is strength, prevention is better than cure, necessity is the mother of invention. The rest, all proverbs, it comes within present indefinite. Why indefinite of all tenses they are important? If you focus either in past time stories which are narrated or the rest of the things that I'll be describing in upcoming lecture, or the present situation that you narrate, that you talk about, to someone